Hi there, it's Ruth from See My Curls. I hope you are well. Now in this video I just wanted to show you some amazing curly hair results from Coily Diaries. Now Coily Diaries is here on YouTube, so feel free to check out her YouTube channel as well. So Coily Diaries used our Nourish Now kit. Now this kit is amazing. It has a hair spritz and a thick hair butter. So she used it to moisturize her hair, refresh her hair, and it looks amazing. Hope you enjoy. I'll see you at the end.
Hey girls, so I'm trying out more products from this company called See My Curls. And today I'm trying the moisturizing spritz as well as their thick hair butter. Instructions say to shake well. And I'm just gonna go with, let's do this twist, shall we? Perfect. I'm just going to work the spritz into my hair. And what I really like about this brand is that they are very low on the fragrance. That is the butter. It's super thick. And it's almost like a beautiful balance between like a whipped butter and a twisting butter, if you may. So it does contain, you know, aloe vera juice in there, but it's not extremely watery. So it's a very nice consistency for moisturizing. And right now, as I'm touching my hair, it actually does feel quite soft and moisturized. The spritz that I used first does have some aloe vera juice and glycerin among many other ingredients. And you guys know I'm crazy about glycerin. So that over time is likely to just really hydrate my hair and make it feel nice and soft. I can't wait to try it on my full head of hair, but I'll go ahead and twist this piece so you can see. That twist looks much better already compared to the rest of my dry hair. So thanks to See My Curls for sending me these products to try. You guys go ahead and check them out.
So there you have it. I hope that really inspired you if you have coily hair. And also remember, See My Curls caters for wavy, curly, coily, and even sister locks. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this quick video. Let me know if you have any questions. You can put them in the comments below, or you can contact me on my website at seemycurls.com.au, or you can email me, message me, or you can even find me on social media on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok even. All right, take care. Bye for now.